Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Praise and gratitude to the presence of Almighty God for the gift of a keeping good, heart, both physical and spiritually, so that we can meet on this occasion. I would like to say thank you for your attention, for giving me chance and your time to watch my presentation video. That makes me more interest to me delivered a presentation in front of you. It's great to see you all. But firstly, let me introduce. My name is Ardawi Sumarno, leader Farudin, SPDMM, the members Professor Dr. Muhammad Ismawi, SPDMPD, the Professor Dr. Firman Sedlis, MPD, the Dr. Resti Gustiawati, SPDMM. We are going to get the point of research on developing fundamental movement learning model based on team games tournament, TGT in elementary school children. Research on development of fundamental movement learning model based on team games tournament, TGT for elementary school children aims to develop a fundamental movement learning model based on competition within group and between group. A movement learning through group competition games encourage positive attitude in children in developing cooperation, self-confidence, independence, and responsibility for what they do and work for teams and the group. The development of this learning model in implementation with the concept of direct motion learning in the context of collective learning in group. Conduction competition in group determining the ranking of abilities group. Competition between group with the appropriate ranking in each group, so that the development of skill and development of children movement is seen to be more optimal development because they are faced with real situation that must be done, not a fundamental movement learning that is dealing on a repetition or basic movement to actuary movement skill. Okay. This study use trial, the research and development R&D, born and girl development model. A small group trial in the development research were carried out at elementary school at Kalangsurya State Elementary School 3, Rengas Dengklok District, Karawang Regans, which amount to 30 students. And large group tests were carried out at Kalangsurya State Elementary School 3 and Rengas Dengklok School Salman Al-Farizi Islamic Elementary. Totally 20 students, which then products the fundamentals tournament model, which was declared possible to be applied to elementary school children. Then the effectiveness test was carried out in the Bekasi Regency, namely at Bantarjaya Elementary School 1 as the experimental class and Karang Reja Elementary School 1 Bekasi Regency as the control class. The test instrument Karangreja Elementary School 1 Bekasi Regency as the control class, the test instrument used in the study and the fundamental motor skill assessment in the form of standard and standard fundamental test with 10 test items. Next, I want to tell you about from the result of the effectiveness test on 20 model, the and again test result of find the average post-test score of the experimental group of 51.30 and the control group of 10.53 with the category of effectiveness test result of the experimental class being less effective and the control class being ineffective. The calculation of the take count 10.71 with a table value of 1.98. The value of site to Thailand in the actual variance assumed. Line of sign a value of 0.300 less than 0.05, meaning hypothesis in reject and final result in accepted. So it can be considered that there is a significant difference between the average difference and the post-test score for fundamental basic movement skill and the experiment group and the control group. That's all I can say. Apology if there are a short time in the delivery that you for your time and attention. So see you at another time. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.